Welcome to QuickBooks Online. Let's go over where everything is in QuickBooks so you can start using it to manage your business efficiently. QuickBooks has two different views. Business View is tailored to someone running a business without an accounting background. Accountant View is our classic view that's familiar to accountants and people with accounting knowledge. You can change your view by going to the Settings menu. We'll show you the rest of QuickBooks in Business View. In Settings, you can also do things like add and manage users, manage your billing and subscription info, and set your preferences so QuickBooks is optimized to work for your business. Get Things Done gives you a quick way to access the most common tasks in QuickBooks. In Business Overview, you can see charts and graphs for different aspects of your finances. And you can customize Business Overview here by moving the charts and graphs and even resizing some of them. This is where you'll run valuable reports to see how your company is performing. You can track your expenses and profitability by project here if you have QuickBooks Online Plus or Advanced. In Bookkeeping, you'll see a hub for all your bookkeeping tasks. Transactions is where you link your bank and credit cards to QuickBooks so all your bank transactions import automatically and securely. Linking your bank accounts to QuickBooks is an important first step in the setup process. In Chart of Accounts, you can view and manage all your accounts in QuickBooks. If you want help managing your books, you can connect with a QuickBooks Live bookkeeper or invite your accountant to QuickBooks. And Reconcile is where you'll go to do your monthly bank reconciliations. In Get Paid and Pay, you'll find your money in options like customers, estimates, invoices, and more. And here, you'll find your money out options and who you have to pay. Commerce is where you can connect your sales channels like Shopify or Amazon to QuickBooks. Payroll is where you pay your employees or contractors and track time in the Time Center. In Banking Services, you can open a QuickBooks checking account or find a small business loan. Taxes is where you set up your sales tax rates and view or manage any other taxes or filings your business has. In the Apps Center, connect business apps to QuickBooks. You can also track your business mileage here. When you need to create a new transaction, like an invoice or an expense, select New, and you'll see everything you can create for customers, vendors, or employees. In Business View, you can customize your navigation here. You can drag and rearrange the tabs, uncheck the tabs, which hides them from the menu, and you can add bookmarks for the pages you use every day. You can always see the tabs you've hidden here. Finally, when you find something you have questions about, help is just a click away. Select the Help icon to chat with our online assistant, see topics related to the page you're on, search for more info, or contact support.